Yo, hello there. Today we're gonna be reviewing my um Blender stuff here. We're reviewing all the things I made in Blender. We have four. That's four. The first is lever push. Made this. Oh my gosh. Made this I think I made this a few months ago. But basically, what's gonna happen is that this thing is gonna come up and push this block. Sorry, the camera is really crooked. Let me cook right here. I'm gonna cook right here. There still needs to be things fixed. So also at like right up on the top screen over there, it'll show like what keys I press on press H. It's gonna show. Oh, what did that just do? What did I just do? Where's my camera? Where's my camera? Oh shoot. There we go. So yeah. Um you can see what keys I'm pressing, so you know you can learn some things. But um I move down. Okay, here we go. I could change the background. Move this here. And I'm gonna click world settings right here. Oh wait, no. Okay, so what we do is we click this button. And we click this button and boom, look at that. All orange. It's like an orange area. So now what we're gonna do is we're gonna click play or Y on if we click Y right here, it's going to continue and it's gonna play. So let's get ready for it. In 3, 2, 1, boom. It goes and it pushes it off the block. Boom. This is one of my first ever animations actually, which is crazy. If I press Control Shift and Spacebar, it'll stop. It's pretty cool. So now, let's see. Now, we go to the second one. We now go to which one was most? So now we go to this one. This was one of my most fanciest ones. We go here. Oh, this is supposed to be a reference off of what I have in my hand here, like a cube or something. It opens out like that. Oh shoot, there's stuff in here. Okay. Oh shoot. Okay. And now we click buy. Oh, cinematic camera moment. Oh, oh, dang, pretty cool. So that does it. And there even, if we have time, we can make an animation together. So, and then next we have rotating while on pedestal. Of course, it's the Skippy Wave logo because, you know, then we're gonna click play. So yeah, it just rotates basically forever. If I just let go and hit that mark, it's gonna keep going forever. So yeah, I wanna go fast because do an animation together if we have time. Our final one is path test. So this is pretty cool. It's also a demonstration. I have this cube right here, and it's whatever path I draw, the cube follows, as you can see here. I should put the camera on. We'll view that a little bit. But look at this cube. It's going. Oh. What did it says? Alright, so now we view the camera and whoa. That's oh shoot. Oh, oh my gosh. This is crazy. So yeah, we have 5 minutes left. So let's go ahead and let's jump in. So what I was thinking that for our model is that we can make like a subscribe kind of button. Because I want you to subscribe, obviously. First, please subscribe. Please subscribe. Okay. Now, we have to do this fast. Good thing I'm a fast mover. Yeah, adjust the camera to the position. And remove this. By the way, tomorrow is my birthday, and there's only this one thing that I want for my birthday, and it's for you to subscribe. So, please do it, or else I will money. Okay, anyways, sorry about that. So, since we have our camera set up, we can go ahead and go into this mode, which will load on the layers, affixes, and stuff. So then we're gonna move this cube up here, so the camera can specifically see where we're placing our cube. And then, yeah, okay, so now we need to basically create a shape. We also need, so first we're going to scale it to make it like kind of flat, like that size, and then kind of long for a play button. And then we're gonna move the camera. We're gonna grab a material, an RGB, or select red for a red play button. Clutching on time right now. We're on a time crunch. Always wanted to say that. So now that we have this, we need to make the edges smooth. If we click this, click tab. Oh shoot. Apparently it makes the camera disappear. That's so strange. I don't know why it does that. But anyways, now we need to make the corners somehow. Okay, I can't make them smooth. If we click 2, it turns into lines. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna click that. And then we're gonna move it down. Maybe to about right here. Oh, wait, no. That looks bad. Never mind. We're just gonna leave it as that. So, tab. Oh my gosh. We're so close. Shift A to summon in something. We're gonna add text. Then I go here, and then we're going to bring it up, rotate it, and then go over here, text, move it all the way over here, move it in front, and then we're going to move it in here. Alright, and this text, click tab again, so we can enter in subscribe, and then just for reference, we'll put a little smiley face. Okay, can smile. Okay, so now we need to move this. Oh my gosh. So now we need to go ahead and we need to scale this down. It's just to the right size, and then we move it over. And then we should be good. There you go. Subscribe. If we click this, now we have to move the light. This is the light right here. You can move it to create a light. Or like a very cool dynamic picture. It's really, really realistic. And that's why I love Blender. So I've been working on it in past years. And there we go. We're done. 8 minutes. Said 8:30. Good job. Look at this. Subscribe. Oh yeah. You know what? You know what, everyone? I'm gonna do the offers. I'm gonna click the subscribe button. Cut chunk. Boom. I'm gonna click it. And boom. I clicked the subscribe button. Kabow. Y'all subscribe button. Because you should definitely subscribe. Please skip, excuse me. Do the skippy wave. Let's do this. Goodbye.